Fashion design, it's a visual language. It's a way for us to express ourselves. Each person's outfit is a way for them to author their own story. As a child, I loved make-believe and dressing up. Halloween was a huge thing in our household, and I always saw it as opportunities to create a character. My journey navigating my own self-identity as a two-spirit person, as an Indigenous person, but also as, I'm part settler Canadian as well. I work with a lot of deer hide and elk hide and horsehair and linen and cotton. Just thinking about those raw materials and where they come from, and this interconnection that we all have with the land, the life that sprouts from it. I started at TMU, and I found myself struggling a little bit with making wearable designs. Once I graduated, I could do whatever I want. I started creating collections that I just said, well, let's just start telling a story. I entered into the Emerging Menswear Designer competition and ended up winning that award, which launched my menswear brand. So after that, I moved to London. And it was during that time that I was approached by Indigenous Fashion Arts. They encouraged me to participate in a residency with the International Fashion Showcase, and I was amongst 15 other international designers. And I think that was a defining moment for me. I came to the conclusion, well, maybe I am actually more of a costume designer. I found that, the world of costume design and theater and working with other artists and film, and that's exactly how I wanted to take garment making. And costume is an accessory to other artists, working with other people who also want to tell stories. There's so much for me to learn about this new exciting venture for myself.